Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we turn household headaches into simple fixes. Today, we're diving into episode 399, how to fix the Electrolux dryer EF1 error code on 2025 models. If your dryer suddenly stops mid-cycle and flashes that frustrating EF1 code, you're not alone. This is a common issue that often signals a problem with the thermal protection or ventilation system. Don't worry. I'll guide you through this step by step, and we'll have your dryer humming again in no time. First things first, safety is key. Always unplug your dryer from the power source before starting any troubleshooting to avoid electrical hazards. Got that? Great, let's jump in. Step 1. Check the lint filter. Over time, lint buildup can cause overheating, triggering the EF1 error. Open the dryer door, remove the filter, and give it a thorough clean. Use a vacuum or a brush to get rid of any stubborn lint, then put it back securely. This simple step resolves the issue about 50% of the time. Easy wins. Next, inspect the vent hose. Poor ventilation is a major culprit for this error. Disconnect the vent hose from the back of the dryer and check for any blockages, like lint clumps or debris. If it's clogged, clear it out and ensure the hose isn't kinked or too long, as that can restrict airflow. Reattach it properly and make sure it's secure. Now, for step 3. Reset the dryer. Sometimes, a simple reset does the trick. Unplug the dryer for at least 5 minutes, then plug it back in and power it on. If your model has a reset button or a specific sequence, refer to your user manual. It's often just holding the start button for a few seconds. Turn it on and run a test cycle to see if the error persists. If you're still seeing the EF1 code, it might be time for a deeper check. Step 4 involves examining the thermal fuse, which is a safety component that could be blown. This requires some tools like a multimeter, so if you're not comfortable, call a professional. Locate the thermal fuse, usually near the blower housing, test it for continuity, and replace it if necessary. Once that's done, reassemble everything and test the dryer again. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to banish that EF1 error for good. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the lint filter after every use can prevent future issues. If the problem keeps coming back, it's best to consult a certified technician to avoid any bigger problems. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more handy tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and keep fixing.